Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something really cool for you. It's the new eFootball 2025 mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. If you love football games, you don't want to miss this. Stick around until the end, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe so you won't miss more awesome stuff. So, let's check out how this mod works. Once you open the game, just tap the gear icon to open the mod menu. It's really simple. Inside the mod menu, the main feature is getting unlimited GP and coins instantly. No waiting, no grinding. It's all there. You can also tweak other features inside the menu to enhance your experience even more. Everything is smooth and works just like the original game, but better. As you can see, the GP and coins just maxed out. That's how powerful this mod is. This makes upgrading your squad and getting top players way easier. And the best part is, it works the same way on both iOS and Android. Now let's move to how to get the mod yourself. First, open your browser. Any browser works, but here we're using Safari. Go to the site ogappbox.com. Once you're there, you can either scroll or use the search to find the eFootball 2025 mod. Once you see it, tap on it and follow the steps to install it to your device. If it's your first time getting a mod from this site, you might need to install a couple of extra apps to make it work. It's all safe and there are simple instructions right on the site, or even videos to help if you get stuck. I've also added a quick note in the comments to guide you to the mod if you're not sure what to do. Make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. If this mod works for you, let others know in the comments, and please subscribe. I've got more cool stuff coming your way.